Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So if you want to continue your CapCut editing projects on your PC or laptop while you are editing the projects on mobile, in the meantime, in this tutorial, I'll show you guide how you can transfer your CapCut project from mobile to PC seamlessly. And you can also use CapCut Syncs features or CapCut Space for efficient editing across devices. So in here, what you need to do is just open the CapCut applications on your phone. Okay, so before you edit your project, you need to make sure that you've already logged in into your account. So if you haven't logged in or signed up, you need to sign up first so that you have this CapCut account, because it will useful for you to use the CapCut Space and to transfer your CapCut projects to PC. So after that, you can just create your projects on you can also use your existing projects in here. For example, I want to upload this projects into the space. So what you need to do to transfer your CapCut project is just upload the CapCut projects into your space. So by clicking on this three dots icon on the project and choose to upload to space, click on upload, and here you can just choose your space. For example, I'm going to just go with this one, and you can just tap on select, and now you can see it will upload your projects into the space. And to see the progress, you can just click on the space in here and see the progress from here. Okay, and after this, you need to make sure that you also use the same account of CapCut on your PC. So you can just download the CapCut PC first and then log in with the same account. And after that, you can just open your space on PC and you'll see the projects that you've just uploaded on mobile. So now you can continue your editings on your computer. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can transfer your CapCut projects from your phone to PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye.